Lord Boss III, you're creating Mesozoic Park, the greatest dinosaur park the world has ever seen. So let me present to you the Sauropod from the Congo. All I need for this expedition is £1 million, and from that we can collect their DNA, and then for a measly 20 million, we can clone these dinosaurs and add them to your park. It's a great plan. I can't see what could possibly go wrong.
Well, that's enough. That's doing it. Oh. Lord Bossman III, you don't need to go to the Congo and spend £20 million on a dinosaur that doesn't even exist. You can get a dinosaur right here in England. That's real. Now, excuse me for a moment. Now, where was I? Ah, yes, dinosaurs in England. Gaze upon this parapet. Gaze upon it.
That's my dinner, and it has no place in my park.
Of course it does. It's a dinosaur.
Can you show me how it's a dinosaur then?
Of course. As you can clearly see, birds are theropods, and theropods are dinosaurs. Therefore, birds are dinosaurs.
I'm afraid I'm going to need a little more than just a very basic phylogenetic tree.
I have one. Is this, or is it not, a dinosaur?
Okay, now that is one. That is a dinosaur. You have the hind limbs, you have the unfused forearm, and you have the long bony tail.
Good, good. Unfortunately, this died out in the Triassic, so you can't actually have any. But this is enormous, and this is the basal theropod. So all other theropods are descended from this dinosaurs, including
birds.
Exactly. But I can tell you're not convinced.
No, not yet.
Well, I'll have to skip a couple of millions a year, or tens of millions of years, to go to the early Cretaceous and look upon Deinonychus.
Okay, so that's slightly more bird-like. You've actually developed some feathers, I can see. Only take a few 10 millions of years, but fair enough.
As you can see, now you mentioned feathers. That's very important. Feathers were originally bristles that erupted between scales. Were going longer and broader, originally to insulation during the change from ectothermic to endothermic.
So as endotherms, they have a better homeostasis.
Exactly.
But surely the whole point of feathers is for flight, not the birds.
Well, you'd think so. Birds are an excellent sample of exaptation, as well they were originally used for insulation and would later be used for flight. They were made into decorative features for display, for courtship, for intimidation.
So this is shown today in peacocks when it comes to courting females.
Exactly. But you mentioned flight. So going back a little bit, I give you the Jurassic Archaeopteryx.
Well, I don't know what I'm looking at now. You have the feathers of birds, where you still have the claws on the forearm and the long bony tail. So is it a mix of bird and dinosaur, or what is it?
Birds are dinosaurs, remember. This is the Avian body. This is a transitionary state until the Avian body plan. But mentioned feathers. I draw your attention to the wings. These feathers are long, and they were originally used to help guide prey to the mouth for consumption. But long feathers allow for gliding, and gliding allows for faster, more efficient movement.
So surely this would give them a select advantage over any of the competitors.
Exactly. And selective mutations in the arms and the chests allowed for powered, true flight.
But surely I thought mutations were random.
Mutations are random. Evolution is not. As you can see. Now these weren't the best flyers because the Paphos was symmetrical. Not the best for flight, but I have one more question to ask you. Lord Boss III. Is this or is this not a bird?
Surely that is a bird.
Yes, I direct your attention to the mouth.
But birds have beaks, they don't have mouths.
All modern birds have beaks. This is Iberomorphosis. This is a toothed bird from the Notice the teeth and the flesh around the jaws. That is a mouth. Now these teeth are lost in modern birds because to make the jaw lighter, more aerodynamic.
So it's helpful flight.
Exactly.
Also I see the feathers are a lot different from the Archaeopteryx. How they changed?
They are now asymmetrical, providing additional lift on the wing, making it more efficient, a better flyer, more powerful flyer. As I'm sure you can also see the remaining claw on the wing, the last remnant of the clawed forearm, the clawed clasping forearms. And as you can see, over time there's a reduction in the homeotic, as a homeotic frame shift, resulting in a lot of fingers, going from 4 fingers to 3 fingers to only 1 fused digit.
So it's negative heterometry.
Exactly. For 1 digit fused is more aerodynamic. So, considering the weight of evidence, I was asked you again. Is this not a dinosaur?
Yes, it is, my friend. It's like 2,000 to go.
Good, good. And all this talk of Turk has made me hungry, so I'm off to dinner.